It's really been pounding down. And Scott, what's it looking like for you right now?
Hey, good morning, David. Now, Mike, pan down. This is what we got on the roads right now. This is what we're dealing with, what drivers are dealing with. This is pretty much anywhere and everywhere in the valley. Some places a little deeper than others, but it's on the road, it's sticking. The snow is pretty heavy and wet, and the UDOT plows are doing all they can to keep up with all of this, but it's tough. It is definitely a big challenge, and for folks who either don't have the proper vehicle or don't know how to drive in these sort of conditions, best that you probably, if you're considering leaving home right now and you're nice and warm, best to maybe stay there for a little bit. And there's also issues, obviously, we've been talking about Big and Little Cottonwood Canyons for the last couple of days. Little Cottonwood Canyon has been closed essentially since Monday afternoon, Monday during the day, and it continues to remain that way. Big Cottonwood Canyon opening up this morning, technically opening up, but there's still a lot of road work to be done there by the UDOT plows. So, you've got a few folks, making their way, matriculating into downtown Salt Lake City, but we're right here, right along West Temple and 4 South, and look, it sounds like some folks have taken that advice. They're staying home, but there is definitely a considerable amount of snow that has already piled up on our roads. And again, the plows are doing all they can, the plow drivers, to clear those roads as quickly as possible. But in most cases, even if you've got a 4-lane road like 7th East sometimes, you're going to be down to 2 lanes. So just be real careful and aware of all that as you leave the house. If you do have to go somewhere, have to be anywhere this morning, give yourself plenty of extra time. And we'll be keeping an eye on this throughout the rest of the morning here on GDU. But for now, we're live in Salt Lake City. Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.